Hey guys, today I'll teach you guys how to make this origami gift box. You'll only need one square sheet of paper to make this model. It opens like that. If you're going to use printer paper like me, you can follow along these steps to make a square sheet of paper. First, make this fold and crease sharply. Now flip it over and you can cut or tear the excess off. I'm going to tear it. Once you have your square sheet of paper, we can start. If you haven't already, fold two opposite corners together and crease sharply. Now complete the same with the next two corners. Unfold and fold the top to the bottom. Unfold and fold it in half again. Now you want to make an airplane fold by folding each of the corners into the center. Now you can see there's a crease here. You want to fold each of the flaps forward so that this crease aligns with that crease. So it looks like that. Now if you flip it over, you can see all the folds on it. Now if you can see, you want to pinch here, 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 and also here. Now you can just converge all of them together and you'll get something that looks like this. Now you're almost complete with your origami box. Now you want to fold the bottom edge to here. So it looks like this, and you can unfold. You want to complete this with every side. Now you're almost done with your origami box. Now pinch this corner, each of these corners on each side. Push it forward a little and pinch it. Now converge each of the 4 points that you were supposed to pinch together, like so it'll look like this. Now you're basically done with your origami box. And here, and finally here.